In this video, I'm going to be going over a new enhancement to the 10.5 version of the connector, the ability to map to the part BOM item type. This new mapping will only be supported for forward mapping, and there will be a new innovator item type titled CAD file to part BOM in the connector property mappings. This property mapping is not in the default project, so this will need to be defined through the Essig web interface. So now we'll go over a demonstration of this new mapping. In Essig, I've loaded up the connector property mappings and I've opened up a mapping that I have configured. This mapping is set to the connector.quantity and the innovator property name is quantity. I have set this to my own project and I've selected the items I want this to be applicable for. So this is, again, a forward mapping. So if I go to SolidWorks, I can look at my components and select on one of them, maybe this wires in the motor here. I'll open up this part and it's read only, so I'll go ahead and lock it. I'm going to make changes to that BOM quantity property here, but first I need to add one. We'll call it quantity, and I'll put in, we'll say 14. I'll hit OK. I'll have to go back in there so this can be set to quantity, and then I'll hit OK. So I've set that to 14. I'm going to go ahead and save it and close out of here. And now I'm going to go to store the BOM. So when I go to the store the bill of material, you can see the quantity is being read from that property and being updated to 14. So I'll store that. Go back to Essig. And we'll look for that part. So DR motor assembly, and you can see in my bill of material, I now have that set to 14. If you'd like to take a look at some more of the documentation for the enhancements on connector 10.5, you can go to the directory shown on the screen. Thank you for watching.